Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra. So this time I'll be showing you how to delete any AI emojis that you may have created. So if you followed my video showing how to create an AI emoji, maybe you've made a mistake, you want to start again, you're trying to find the delete option to delete the AI emoji, but you can't find it. This is the video for you. So I'm going to show you how you can delete it, or you can give it a makeover, or you can create a duplicate AI emoji. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow what I'm about to show. So just swipe up anywhere on the home screen, go into the Samsung folder, select AR Zone, AR Emoji Studio, and then here just select this little option here, and then just select those three little pins, and here you get the option to either duplicate, give makeover, or delete. So any AR emojis that you have created, they'll all show up here. I've only created one, that's why you can only see one at the moment. But if you've created like 2 or 3, they'll all show up here. Okay, but do be warned, when you create your AR emojis, remember that they do create stickers as well. So these are the stickers that were created from my AR emojis. So when you delete the AR emoji, the stickers will also be deleted. So when I go back into okay, so it's not giving me the option to go back in to show you that they've been deleted. They have been deleted. So yeah, now you can just start afresh, create a new AR emoji, and all that good stuff. Hope this video helped you out. Please do give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Deuces.